Our role as Abalobi, we look at how we can best provide access to markets to small-scale fishers along the coastline. We do this by co-creating technologies and ensuring that we provide necessary training and capacitation and onboarding small-scale fishing cooperatives. This is done through ensuring that when fishers go out to sea, when they come back, they are able to record all their catches and all their expenses, and they are able to channel their product through an application called Abalobi Marketplace. The marketplace serves to also give an opportunity for high-end restaurants and households and also a number of chain stores in South Africa to buy fresh fish at a reasonable price that is realized by small-scale fishers. What is important about this program is that it, in essence, tells the story behind the fish. It tells the story of a fisher. It showcases the indigenous and traditional knowledge of fishers in South Africa. We are here today participating in this session, and we want to contribute to the work that the province is currently doing and other government departments that are doing, as we are well placed to conceptualize access to markets and be able to contribute to capacitation and training and be able to just be a collaborator in providing support to this very important sector, more especially if you look at the East Coast rock lobster in the Eastern Cape. It's one of those species that have high potential, but they require coordination and proper planning, and hence it is important for us to be in this session where we collaborate as NGOs and also with government departments and the private sector in ensuring that small-scale fishers contribute meaningfully and they participate in the ocean's economy.